What is up, y'all? It is Josh here with another video on how you can make money online, or how you can just be hustling and doing some side hustles in general. Now, I know in my previous video I told you that dropshipping is dead, which I still entirely believe, but I spent good money on this store, so I'm going to make videos off of it and try and make some money off of it while I still can. So I'm going to show you today how to drive traffic to your store and get them to convert without you spending any money. Now, this is a free method, so you can do it entirely free for the most part. There might be a few dollars here and there, but most of the time you're going to have to spend like advertising money. You have to advertise on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, you name it. You're going to have to do that to drive traffic, or you're going to have a big following on social media, which most of us who start out on dropshipping don't have right off the bat, or you have to pay an influencer to do it for you. Now, this is sort of goes with paying an influencer to do it for you, except you're not paying them in cash. So right here, this is my store that I had someone build for me. I don't really have it going very far yet. I haven't tried much. But as you can see right now, we have 3 visitors. That's pretty exciting. Yep, 3 visitors right now. Nice. But what I want to show you is if you go over to apps, you're going to want to download this app right here. Affiliate. It's kind of hard to say, affiliate tracking, basically, and you're going to want to click on it. Now, I use this for my other one that works much better. So you get 50 active affiliates to go with it in the free version, and basically what you want is for people to sign up for this to promote your product, and then they will get a certain share of the sales when they make a sale through their link. And you can set it to 10% of what they sell, or 15 or 20 or 25. I set it for 25 just to make it more tempting, because for me, profit is still profit, and if they get 25%, I'm still going to get usually $5 to $25 depending on the item profit. So anyways, you're going to want to get this set up, and you're also going to want to have it interlinked in your website, like right here where it says ambassadors, where someone can go through and they can basically, they'll go here, except not the admin version, they'll go to a affiliate version. And then from here, you're going to want to develop an Instagram account around your niche. So my store name is Speed Gaming right here. So Speed's Gaming, and here's my Instagram account. So Speed's Gaming, right? You're going to want to make sure that you have a decent amount of followers, so that you have some authority in the area. Make sure you have a professional looking front page with your website and all, so that people can check it out. But these aren't actually, most of them aren't real followers. It's a follow for follow mechanism, just so that I look like I'm real. As you can see, my likes and comments are way lower than what it should be if I had an actual 15K followers. But in this situation, since I'm not trying to actually promote anything, I'm just trying to make it look like I'm more of a serious brand when I message people, I just needed a lot of followers quickly. So yeah, I got 15K followers. Make sure you have at least 100, I would say. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look for people in your niche. So you could type in YouTube gamers, for example, hashtag, and then it'll take you to the YouTube gamers, right? So this is all the posts revolving around YouTube gamers. And then you want to look for a post that's revolving around games, but doesn't have too many likes or comments, because obviously you don't want to actually have to pay these people. So right here, this guy only has 62. Let's see what he's got here. Alright, so this guy's a little small, but 167 followers. I usually aim for 500 plus. But you can also check his YouTube channel, or their YouTube channel, whoever they are, and see what they got there. So on his YouTube, he doesn't get many for views. Let's see what his stats are. He's had 195 views, only 6 videos. Of course, 195 views over 6 videos, that's not bad, honestly. But anyways, you want to look for someone in the 500-ish to lower 2,000 range. Someone who's in that area where they're starting to get recommended, like people are starting to reach out to them, but haven't gotten to the point where they expect you to actually pay them hard-earned cash. So this guy is someone I found earlier. Between all of his accounts, he's got a few thousand different followers. He's got 703 here. He has really good interaction for how many followers he has. He obviously has a YouTube channel, which YouTube converts better than any other social media. He's got 93 followers here. He gets decent views. So yeah, he's someone I chose to reach out to, and he hasn't responded yet. But basically what you do is you follow them, And then you shoot them a message, right? You just say something generic like, hello, I just want to reach out to you about a possible business opportunity, blah, 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 and then let them know what you want them to do. You tell them we're looking for ambassadors and affiliates. So then you offer them a free product. Now you may be thinking, oh, well, you said we can do this for free. Well, I did, yes. You can do this for free because what you do is in your Shopify store, you offer a discount, right? Right over here in discounts, and once it loads, then you can create a discount code. So for example, I have ambassadors set as 100% off all product, one use per customer. So I give them this code, and then they can go and use that on any of my products, and they get 100% off. Now you may be thinking, how am I not losing money in this deal? Well then, if you go over to your settings, and you go over to your shipping, right here, you can create a shipping zone, right? So once it loads, once we get our shipping zone loaded, slow, it's very slow, very slow. Okay, there we go. So here we are. When we set a standard shipping mode, that if it's a free product right here, then it's a $15 shipping fee. So normally, as you can see, because we don't have any products for sale under $15, it's free shipping. But anything that's 0 to 3 cents isn't free shipping, it's $15 to pay for shipping. So in that way, you're making up all of that money that you would have lost. So then you send them a message, is all you have to do is pay shipping and handling. So most people in this stage of their social media life are like, oh my God, someone just offered me a free item and they want me to be their ambassador. And lots of them will get all excited and jump right into it. And then usually they'll be like, oh yeah, it's only $15 shipping. I get a free keyboard, I get a free headset, or whatever your niche is for your store. And then they will buy that. And yeah, you're not really going to make much profit off that $15 shipping. But even if they only get like one of their people who follows them to buy the product, then that's where you start getting your revenue. That's where people, if you send out 80 of these messages a day, which obviously I haven't done yet because I've been focusing on other things, but then you're going to have, let's say 2 of them accept it, and those 2 each have 200 followers. Then you have 400 new potential customers, and you just keep doing that, and keep offering this as free stuff. And then that way you don't have to pay for ads, which we all know ads is expensive. But yeah, you can do it with Instagram, you can do it with Twitter, you can reach out to people on YouTube, check YouTube channels, like if you're just browsing through YouTube and you own a gaming store or whatever, then you could find your way to do it through there as well. Look for someone with probably 1,000 subscribers or less. Those people who are close to having that, where YouTube will start paying them, and they'll be excited to get a message from you and possibly act on it. So just to go over it real quick, what we discussed, this is a free way for you to drive traffic to your store. It takes time, but everything takes time. It's either this or you pay hundreds of dollars in ads. Download this app to create an ambassador program. Make sure your website has an ambassador program inside the sign up. And then make sure you set it to whatever percentage you want someone to get. I wouldn't recommend 10%. It's kind of a bullshit number. Make it at least 20. It's going to drive more people to get involved, especially when they go through your gear on your website and they'll look through it and they'll be like, all right, well, what do we have here? How much am I actually going to make? And then they'll go to, the $60 headset, and they'll be like, well, if one of my people buys these, and I get 20% of that, they're like, well, I'm going to get 12-ish bucks or something. And then that's going to help convince them. Well, there's like 10%, they're like, oh, I get $6. Wow, whoopee. And then you find people in your niche. So if like you're a gamer, then you type in hashtag gamers, hashtag PC gaming, live streamers, Overwatch, YouTuber, all these things you've seen I've done. If you're like in fashion, then type in hashtag winter fashion, hashtag that type of stuff. And then you can find people to reach out to. Make sure they're not too big. You don't want to be reaching out to someone with 5,000 followers. They're going to just be like, well, how much are you going to pay me? They don't need your free item. They need you to pay them. And then once you send them messages, just do it 50 times a day, and you'll be set to go. If you like this video or you found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button or subscribe for future content. I plan on making more Shopify videos because, like I said, I spent good money on paying someone to make the store for me. And once I have time, I'm going to actually work harder on getting people to drive people to it. I just ran a few ads for it so far. And I'll keep coming out with more videos and more side hustle ideas and how you guys can become financially free. Catch you in the next one.